Hi there, explorers! Are you ready for an exciting adventure today?
Have you ever wondered how we keep safe in our homes? It's not just about locking doors, but also about being aware of our surroundings. We lock our doors, right? This simple action helps keep us safe from intruders. And maybe some of us even have a friendly dog to let us know if someone's at the door. Our pets can be great protectors and friends. Just like our homes, we have a digital world full of exciting things like games, videos, and ways to talk to our friends. This digital world is vast and full of opportunities. This digital world needs protection too. Just like we lock our doors, we need to secure our devices and online activities. That's where cybersecurity comes in. It's like having a digital shield that keeps our information safe from bad guys.
Ready to learn all the cool ways to protect yourself online? How to be a cybersecurity superhero? Let's go! Together, we'll explore tips and tricks to stay safe in the digital world.
Imagine a big, strong shield protecting all our online adventures. This shield is like a superhero power, keeping our digital world safe. That's what cybersecurity does. It's like a game of hide and seek, but instead of hiding ourselves, we're hiding our information from anyone who might want to peek without permission.
Pretty cool, right?
You might be wondering, what exactly does cyber even mean? It's a term we hear all the time, but it can be a bit confusing. Think of cyber as anything that happens in the computer world. This includes everything from sending an email to playing an online game. It's like a secret code word for all things digital. Whether it's coding, browsing the web, or even using social media, it's all part of the cyber world.
And the internet? That's like a giant network connecting all our computers. Imagine it as a web of connections that allows us to communicate and share information. Kind of like invisible roads connecting all the houses in a city. These roads let us send messages, share photos, and even watch videos from anywhere in the world. We use the internet to share fun things with our friends and family. It's a place where we can stay connected, no matter the distance.
Now that we know what cyber and internet mean, we can better understand how they shape our daily lives. Let's see why it's important to keep them safe. Protecting our digital world ensures that we can continue to enjoy all the benefits of being connected.
Section 4. Why is cybersecurity important? Remember the shield we talked about?
Cybersecurity is super important because it's like that shield protecting our digital world.
Just like we keep our toys safe, we want to keep our online information safe too.
Cybersecurity helps keep our games safe from glitches, our messages private, and our online adventures fun and secure.
It's like having a secret code that only you and the people you trust know. Section 5. Protecting our digital selves. Now that we know how important cybersecurity is, let's talk about how we can protect ourselves. In today's digital age, our online presence is just as important as our physical one. We need to be vigilant and proactive in safeguarding our personal information and digital activities.
It's all about being smart and safe online. This means understanding the potential risks and knowing how to avoid them. For instance, we should always be cautious about the websites we visit and the links we click on.
And always asking a grown-up for help if we see something that seems strange or makes us feel uncomfortable. It's important to communicate openly about our online experiences and seek guidance when needed. Being careful about what we share online, especially on social media. We should think twice before posting personal information, photos, or our location. Remember, once something is online, it can be difficult to remove. We can do this by choosing strong passwords, which are a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. It's also a good idea to change our passwords regularly and not use the same one for multiple accounts.
Remember, staying safe online is a team effort, and we can all be cybersecurity superheroes. By working together and sharing what we know, we can create a safer online environment for everyone. Let's make the internet a place where we can learn, play, and connect without fear.